Ever wondered how you can stand out in a sea of competition and get your business to the front of the pack? Imagine reaching your audience, sharing your story, and not just competing but winning, all without breaking the bank or hiring a huge team. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's possible, and all it takes is a few clicks? That's right, thanks to AI, smart business growth is at your fingertips. Today, I'm diving into an AI tool that's about to become your business's new best friend. Ready to revolutionize your approach? Let's jump right into it. This is David and you are watching AI Lockup. Introducing Blaze AI, a dedicated AI tool for business owners, social media managers, or content creators. This amazing AI-powered tool can generate blog posts, email landing pages, newsletters, paid ads copy, social media posts, and many more. And to grow a business, all of these are highly demanded criteria. But the most interesting fact is that you can generate all of this with your own brand voice. That means it won't be random AI-generated content, but all will be generated in your own style. Isn't it interesting? Okay, let's start our business automation journey with Blaze AI. First of all, we have to create an account on Blaze. After coming to the Blaze homepage, click on Get Started for free from here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. Now you can create your own brand voice. I already made a video on it. If you haven't watched it yet, watch the video from the I button. In today's video, we will focus only on the business growth aspect. For example, you have an interior decorating and design business, and you want to bring a boost to your business. To do that, you have to write about your services and reach them to the consumer. The first option is to write a blog and publish it on your website. With Blaze's blog post feature, you can write an engaging and professional level blog with just a few clicks. After selecting the blog post generator tool, first, enter the file name. Use a code name here and then you can set the content calendar. I will talk about this later. Okay, after entering the title, we have to enter a proper description of the blog post. Try to provide as much data as possible. For example, I am entering a ready prompt. It's about write a blog about what is organic modernism. Best way to nail this calming design style. Include how our company, Interior Gene, can do all of the work for you and save your time and money. Here I provide the topic and then provide the additional instruction. After entering the prompt, select the goal of this blog post. In my case, it's promotional. Next, the targeted audience. I am typing house owner and design enthusiast. Then select the post length. This time I will go with a medium-length post. In the next step, enter your SEO keyword. It's very important. Give time to research your keywords and then enter them in this box. For example, I am entering interior design idea, best interior design company, interior design with organic material. After entering the keyword, we have to set the voice of tone. You can see here is my previous brand voice. You can create a new brand voice from here. This time I will select the professional tone. Next, you can add source material, such as entering your pre-written article as the reference, using your competitor's article, or uploading any doc file. In the end, you can add a CTA or call to action, author persona, product or service description, or any other additional information. After all is set, hit the Generate Title button. Now Blaze AI will analyze your input data and generate 5 titles for you. You have to select one of them or enter your own title. After selecting the title, click on Generate Outline from here. Now AI will generate an intro and outline of our blog post or article. The intro is really very good. If you don't like it, you can always regenerate it. Okay, at the bottom of the intro, you will find the blog outline. Review them, and if you are not satisfied, then regenerate them. After that, hit the Generate Post button from here. Now Blaze AI will start generating the blog post for you. It may take some time. And here it is. Our blog is ready. It's a really well-crafted and informative blog post. You can improve the quality of the post with tools from the right panel. Here are some other tools available also, such as Plagiarism Checker. You may notice that our post is 100% unique. With the SEO analysis tool, you can analyze the SEO score. As I entered some random keywords, that's why my score will be low. You can solve this issue. A good article with a good SEO score can reach a maximum number of people. That will grow your business for sure. Okay, now let's move forward to the next step. The most effective way to reach the consumer is by running paid ads. With Blaze, you can generate optimized ad copy for Amazon, Bing, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. Let's generate an ads copy for Google Ads. After selecting the tool, like the blog post, give the name of the documents. After that, tell the goals of your Google ad campaign. Always try to enter as much data as possible. For example, I want to generate an ad for my next campaign where our company will provide a 20% discount on any interior design package. I entered, generate an ads copy for my next discount offer on interior design. Our company, Interior Gene, will give a 20% discount on any kind of interior design package this month. After that, enter the name of your product or service. Next, the keyword. This is the most important part. Use related keywords. After entering the keywords, set the voice tone, source material, and other settings. This time I will add a call to action, such as, book your appointment now. After all is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. Blaze generates 15 headlines, for descriptions, and 2 URL slugs for us. These ad copies are highly optimized. Now you can easily run ads on Google AdWords. Okay, now let's try the Pinterest ads, as Pinterest is one of the biggest traffic generators. Like the Google ads, we have to enter the title, ads goals, and the keyword. This time I will enter the same data used on Google Ads. After entering all the data, hit the. You can see Blaze generates 5 ad ideas for us. Every idea has the target audience, pin, text overlay, description, and destination slug suggestions. Now anyone can create a pin and run an ad campaign on Pinterest. I tried all the ad platforms. As you can see, for TikTok and YouTube, it generates engaging scripts with visual suggestions. For Facebook, it generates the target audience, primary text, headline, and description. Now in the same way, you can generate ad copy for all the leading marketplaces. Okay, now we can generate ad copy with Blaze for any platform. What's the next option to grow a business? Email marketing is one of the best ways to generate sales. But you have to create a good newsletter to get better results. Blaze AI can create newsletters for you. Come to the Emails tab. Here you will find options to create promotional emails, SMS messages, sign-up templates, and many others. Let's create a newsletter. After coming to this page, give a name to this doc. After that, select the style of the newsletter. I will go with promotional. Select the style as per your need. Next, describe what offering or promotion you would like to highlight. In my case, I am entering, our company, Interior Gene, will give a 20% discount on any kind of interior design package this month. After that, set the voice tone, target audience, and CTA. After all is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. Blaze generates a newsletter with alternative newsletter headlines, first sentence hooks, and meta description. That's really great. Now you can generate content for email marketing. Not only that, Blaze can do more to grow your business. In this digital age, social media posts could be the best way to reach the consumer. You have to be consistent and creative. And Blaze could be your helping hand because you can generate posts for Facebook, X, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. For example, I want to generate posts for X. After coming to this page, enter your X post topic. Enter a topic related to your organization and business. After that, set the number of post ideas. Next, the voice tone, select source material. After that, you can add a link also. After all is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. Blaze generates tweets ideas for us. Now we can post them with related designs. In the same way, you can generate posts for other social media platforms. Not only that, you can generate product descriptions, sales posts, customer service posts, and other content that can boost your business. There are so many tools available here. If we want to explore all of them, then the video will be so long. I will suggest exploring you one by one. The process is pretty much the same. Now the question is how costly the tool is. Let's have a look at this. Blaze offers 3 plans. First, if you are an individual creator, then buy the creator plan. Only with $20, you can generate unlimited AI content and other features with free brand voice. Next, in the team plan, you will get 3 seats and 10 brand voices with all other features. You have to pay only $47 per month. And if you have a larger user, then buy the enterprise plan. This plan offers 20 plus seats, SSO/SAML login, a dedicated account manager, multiple workspaces, and API access. You have to pay $500 per month. If you are a marketer or business owner, you should try this tool. I will put the link in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Blaze AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!